Hey guys, what's up? Apple Fanatic. In today's video is going to be a walkthrough of the Team Hacksung ice cream sandwich ROM for the Samsung Fascinate. It is currently on build 13, and on my device right here I have build 12 installed because I actually find build 12 was a little more solid and fluid than build 13. So I actually made a video last night on how to install it. If you want to check that video out, you can go click on the link in the description and it will bring you over to that video. So let's go ahead and turn on the phone. So this is the Samsung Fascinate for Verizon, and as you can see we have a Cyanogen mod boot screen. Now this is a beta version of the Cyanogen mod. This is going to be what leads up to Cyanogen mod 9, which is ice cream sandwich. But as of now, it's build 13 of Team Hacksung's ice cream sandwich ROM. Link will be in the description for the ROM, along with the video on how to install it. Alright, so the phone has booted, and we're going to go back. And I have not activated this phone because I have my iPhone for day-to-day use. But we're going to go ahead and hit the home button. And as you can see on the lock screen, we now have the ice cream sandwich lock screen. You got the time up here, then the scrolling information, I don't know if you can see that, I prefer if you didn't, is my phone number, my name, and my email in case the phone is lost. Then if you see down here, we have the carrier Verizon Wireless along with the lock, and you can select the lock and you can either unlock it, go to Facebook, browser, mobile, music, or camera. Go ahead and unlock it. The top three, the browser, the mobile music, and the Facebook, where you can add those in and you can change them around in the settings app, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit later. Now we're going to go ahead and into the launcher, and as you can see we now have the apps. We have a Play Store. I'm not really going to go through the apps too much because they don't really change with the operating system. I have Chrome installed, which I'm going to do a review on Google Chrome for Android. We'll scroll over, and as you can see it's got the movement. Now the new feature is apps and widgets in the same place. So as you can see, we have our widgets already stored next to the applications. In previous versions of Android, in order to get an application, you'd have to hold down the home screen and select your application that way. Now all you have to do is open up your launcher and select the application. So we'll select Google Search. You drag it to wherever you want to put it, and bam, Google Search is now there. Obviously I don't want that because I already have Google Search. So the next feature I will talk about, or next thing I'll talk about, is the system settings and the add-ons. The first thing you will see is a quick toggle for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can go in here and look at your look at your data and what you've been using. So I've used nothing because I don't have 3G on here. But as you can go down here, and let me zoom in a little bit, you can see the launcher under interface, lock screen, themes, and system. Under launcher, this is going to allow you to customize your drawer, which would be like where all your applications are stored, your home screen, and then you go to general, and there's some more auto rotation, and you can check that on and off. So if you go into drawer, you have the ability to change things. So the transition effect, I have it set on to zoom in, but you can have it to cube out, cube in, stack. So some cool little features there. You can scroll down and you can really customize this to your heart's extent. You can go to home screen and you can select what you want to put on your home screen or how you want your home screen laid out, the amount of home screens you want. I have it set for 7. You can have as little as 1. Or anywhere between. Grid size, you can really go ahead and you can customize this even more than normal. I really like this so far because of these tweaks you have. And then we'll go out of the launcher and in lock screen, like I was saying earlier. If you want to go ahead and add your custom shortcuts, you will have the ability to drag to where you want, and then you can add it. So if you want to add in say you want to switch out Facebook, all you do is drag over, hit edit, and then go ahead and select the application you want to add over instead of Facebook. You can go ahead and security, you can change all of this information. I'm not going to go too far into it. It's pretty standard on all Android devices. Owner information, you go ahead here, I'm going to cover that up, and you can change anything you want and put anything you want on the screen. So if your phone is lost, people will be able to read that. And you can enable weather, which I have enabled. And then we'll go down to system, and the system will give you the ability to customize your status bars on the top, your notification drawer, your wallpaper, and you can change the font size. Go down here and you have a look at all your sounds and displays, storage, battery, pretty standard stuff on Android. I'm not going to get too involved into that. But for the Galaxy S settings, this is a pretty cool feature. Sorry about that. You can change the color of your screen. I'm not going to do that. And you can really get into the saturation levels of your screen and whatnot. And also, obviously, because your phone is rooted, you're going to have a lot more control over your phone than if it was stock Android. So now under personal, you can go ahead and set up your accounts. You have security, language, backups, profiles. So a profile would be if you want to be home or it's night, you can go ahead and customize that so everything is disabled and you're not going to get any notifications and whatnot. So we'll go ahead and put that back to default. Then we'll go down here and we'll show you about phone just to show you what we're running. So as you can see, we'll zoom in. That is the phone model number, the i500. Android 4.4 with the baseband, and then I have a special kernel flash. This isn't stock kernel, but this is, it's a very good kernel. I've overclocked it to 1.4 gigahertz, very stable. And then at the bottom you can see Cyanogen mod version 9.0 RCO release candidate 0 Fascinate unofficial. So this is not the official Cyanogen mod, but it's a lead up to what it will be. And then we'll go down here. You can see 378 megabits of RAM, processor, baseband, all that good stuff. And then we'll go ahead and exit out of that, zoom out. And that's really all I wanted to show you. It's just a quick walkthrough of what I wanted to talk about. I'll show you the notification center. And so the notification center is pretty nice. You have your quick toggles at the top, so you can turn wireless on, off, Bluetooth on, off, location and sound on, off. Next to that, I don't know if you can see the date, but there is the, it looks like sound bar. That is the settings. So if you click on that, it will bring up your settings. Go back to notification center. Let me go ahead, and now if you new animation in notification center, if you go ahead and hit the X button, it slides everything out. So that's a pretty nice little touch. And then at the bottom you can see it says Verizon Wireless. And the only other thing I wanted to show you was the multitasking, which I thought is actually really nice, a lot better than iOS's multitasking. Now if you go ahead and hold down on your home button, your soft key home button, so I'll show you that, you're going to be greeted with, alright, I got to open up some apps, hold on. So we're going to open up downloads, we'll open up calculator, and this is just to show you what I'm talking about. We'll open up camera. The camera app's pretty nice. I'm coming from an iPhone 4S to this, so it's not as good as the 4S's, but you know, it does take good camera, good quality pictures still. We'll open up Quick Boot, and we'll open up the Play Store. Now, in order to, the new feature I wanted to show you is if you hold down the home button, you're going to be greeted, and you can get a live look of what your camera is seeing right now, or your calculator is doing. It's true multitasking, and it's actually really nice and very easy to get rid of. A natural slide away motion. So if you want to get rid of Quick Boot, all you do is take your finger and you slide it away, camera, slide it away, calculator, download, settings, and the Play Store all slid away. So yeah, it's actually really nice. And as you can see, guys, this is Ice Cream Sandwich. Just a quick run through of Ice Cream Sandwich on the Samsung Fascinate. Buttery smooth, haven't run into any issues at all. The only thing I've heard is that MMS might be a little buggy, but with build 13 that's fixed. But like I said, build 13 also I feel has been more buggy. I haven't run into any issues. Like I said, this is overclocked to 1.4 gigahertz, so I'll go ahead and show you what I mean by that. So as you can see, CPU max frequency 1.4 gigahertz. So this is a really fast, really solid, great ROM. Go check it out, guys. The link will be in the description for the video on how to install this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, obviously leave a comment below. But for Apple Fanatic, this is me saying peace.